Good day! In this video, we are going to read number in words and writing them into numerals. Numerals means Hindu-Arabic numerals. There will be a few levels of this lesson so that you will master number in words, writing them into numerals. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Questions. Question number 1. Write in numeral. Numeral 32. Question number 2. Write in numeral. Numeral 34. Question number 3. Write in numeral. Numeral 37. Question number 4. Write in numeral. Numeral 39. Question number 5. Write in numeral. Numeral 33. Question number 6. Write in numeral. Numeral 36. Question number 7. Write in numeral. Numeral 31. Question number 8. Write in numeral. Numeral 38. Question number 9. Write in numeral. Numeral 35. Question number 10. Write in numeral. Numeral 40. Question number 11. Write in numeral. Numeral 34. Question number 12. Write in numeral. (37). Question number 13. Write in numeral. (39). Question number 14. Write in numeral. Numeral 33. Question number 15. Write in numeral. Numeral 36. Question number 16. Write in numeral. Numeral 32. Question number 17. Write in numeral. Numeral 38. Question number 18. Write in numeral. Numeral 35. Question number 19. Write in numeral. Numeral 38. Question number 20. Write in numeral. Numeral 35. Question number 21. Write in numeral. Numeral 40. Question number 22. Write in numeral. Numeral 34. Question number 23. Write in numeral. Numeral 37. Question number 24. Write in numeral. Numeral 31. Question number 25. Write in numeral. Numeral 40. Congratulations, you are doing well. This ends the lesson for today. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Hey, would you like your child to be assist in his or her mathematics skills? Then search and join our Facebook group. See you there.